The Galaxy Z Fold 8 hasn't even launched yet, but the accessories are already here. From hinge-protecting cases to must-have screen protectors, we've rounded up 7 essentials you can grab right now on Amazon. Stick around, number 1 might surprise you. Starting off our list at number 7, the OWKEY magnetic case for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 wide is perfect for anyone who wants solid protection without bulking up Samsung's premium foldable. It combines a tough PC back, flexible TPU bumper, reinforced hinge cover, and shock-absorbing corners for military-grade drop resistance, plus MagSafe compatibility for chargers, wallets, and mounts. The translucent matte finish keeps fingerprints and smudges at bay while still showing off the phone's original color, and the precise cutouts give you clean access to the camera, charging port, speakers, and side buttons. Day-to-day, this case stays impressively slim and pocket-friendly instead of adding rugged bulk, and that hinge cover gives real peace of mind against the kind of accidental knocks foldables are especially vulnerable to. Compared to FNTCASE's Fold 8 case, which throws in a built-in screen protector and even stronger magnets, OWKEY keeps things simpler and a touch slimmer, just without that extra screen layer. All in all, it's a solid no-frills pick for Fold 8 owners who want reliable hinge and drop protection with MagSafe convenience, without paying for extras they might not need. At number 6, the WSKEN Screen Protector Kit for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is built to protect both the delicate inner flexible display and the outer front glass without messing with how the fold actually works. The kit comes with 2 inner TPU films and 2 front 9H tempered glass sheets, along with an auto-align mounting frame that snaps everything into place to keep installation bubble-free and crease-free, even if you've never done this before. The inner TPU film is engineered to flex through repeated folding without creasing, while the 9H front glass adds real scratch and impact protection to the cover screen. In practice, that alignment frame makes what's usually a fussy install on foldables surprisingly painless, and the case-friendly fit means it shouldn't clash with most Fold 8 cases. Compared to competitors like SPIDERCASE's Easy Fit protectors, WSKEN matches the guided install experience but bundles both inner and outer protection together, while SPIDERCASE typically sells those separately. Given how pricey foldable screen repairs can get, this is a smart investment for any Z Fold 8 owner wanting peace of mind without sacrificing touch feel or fold smoothness. Coming in at number 5, the Meifigno 65W 5-in-1 charging station is built for Apple users who want to consolidate charging for their entire device lineup onto one nightstand or desk setup. It handles MagSafe-style magnetic charging for iPhone 17 through 12 series, Apple Watch Series 2 through 11 Plus SE and Ultra models, AirPods with wireless charging cases, and even adds a dedicated 30W wired USB-C port for iPad. The foldable design makes it easy to toss in a bag for travel, and the kit ships with a 65-watt PD adapter, along with both short and long USB-C cables, for a genuinely complete out-of-box setup. In real life, magnetic alignment works best without a thick case, and that wired iPad stand is a nice touch most wireless-only competitors skip entirely. Build quality feels premium too, with a clean, sleek finish that looks right at home on a nightstand. Compared to Meifigno's own 45W model with a built-in Bluetooth speaker and clock, this 65W version drops the extras to focus purely on faster, more reliable multi-device charging, a strong pick for any Apple household tired of cable clutter. Number 4 is the PowerLot 45W 2-port wall charger, ideal for anyone juggling Samsung, Apple, or Android devices who wants fast, simultaneous charging without lugging around a bulky brick. Its gallon construction keeps things compact and cool running compared to older silicon chargers, and PPS support means it delivers optimized fast charging to the Galaxy S21 through S23, Z Fold and Flip models, and other PPS-compatible phones. In real use, it can push a Galaxy S23 to about 50% in roughly 30 minutes. And it's flexible enough to charge a MacBook Air or iPad Pro on one port while topping off a phone on the other, though total output gets shared across both ports. The build feels solid, with a compact matte shell, foldable prongs, and built-in protection against overheating and overcurrent. Compared to Anker's 45W GAN 2-port charger, PowerLot is usually the more affordable choice, though Anker holds a slight edge in thermal management and cable length. Overall, it's a strong, budget-friendly option for multi-device households and frequent travelers who care more about value than brand name. At number 3, the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro are built for Galaxy users who want premium sound paired with genuinely useful AI features. The two-way speaker setup with dual amplifiers per bud delivers deeper bass and clearer highs, while adaptive ANC 2.0 offers more precise, real-time noise cancellation than the standard Buds 4. And the IP57 rating means they can handle up to 3 feet of fresh water for 30 minutes. The real headline feature is live translation, handling two-way conversation translation right in your ears with no app or phone swapping required. Though this and other AI perks need a Galaxy S26 series phone to unlock. In everyday use, the ANC holds up well against street noise, office chatter, and transit rumble. And the touch controls feel snappy and reliable. Build quality is strong too, with a redesigned case that holds the buds securely and 3 ear tip sizes for a comfortable fit. Compared to Apple's AirPods Pro, the Buds 4 Pro offer deeper Android integration and translation capability Apple simply doesn't have, though AirPods still wins slightly on cross-platform flexibility. At around $209, it's a great value for Galaxy loyalists. Just know non-Samsung users won't get the full experience. Almost at the top, number 2 is the CHARCO Portable Charger 10,000 mAh. Built for travelers and daily commuters who want fast charging without packing a separate cable. Its built-in 2.4-foot retractable USB-C cable extends to 7 adjustable lengths and only pulls out as needed, while the 45 max output can push an iPhone 17 Pro Max from 0 to 50% in about 20 minutes on compatible devices. It also packs a secondary USB-C port and a USB-A port for charging a second device at once, plus a smart display showing real-time battery status. Build quality feels solid for the category, with battery protection safeguards built in. And the two-way charging feature lets you recharge the bank itself at up to 32 watts, reaching full capacity in around 2 hours. In everyday use, expect around 5,500–6,500 milliamperes of usable output due to standard conversion loss, which is normal for this battery class. Compared to Ugreen's similar 3-in-1 45-watt power bank, CHARCO offers more adjustable cable lengths, though Ugreen edges ahead slightly with its foldable plug design. It's a solid value pick for travelers wanting a tangle-free multi-output charger. And taking the top spot, number 1, the FNTCASE for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 in Sea Pink is made for anyone who wants heavy-duty protection without giving up a clear, minimalist look. It features a protective hinge cover that guards the fragile inner screen hinge against accidental shifts or misalignment, paired with a built-in screen protector for scratch and drop defense, while keeping full touch sensitivity and HD clarity intact. MagSafe compatibility comes from 38 built-in N52 magnets rated at 2400 GLFs, roughly 7 times stronger than standard magnetic cases, so it stays locked onto chargers even with movement. The case has passed military-grade drop testing up to 18 FT, and that clear finish lets the Fold 8's original color and design shine through instead of hiding it. Day-to-day, the hinge protection adds real confidence against the accidental knocks foldables are prone to, and those strong magnets make wireless charging noticeably more secure than average. Compared to the OWKEY magnetic case, FNTCASE throws in a built-in screen protector as a bundled bonus that OWKEY skips entirely. It's a well-rounded, great value pick for Fold 8 owners wanting rugged protection with a clear aesthetic, an easy one to recommend. That wraps up our top 7 Galaxy Z Fold 8 accessories you can buy before launch. Check the description for all the links. Which one's going straight into your cart? Let us know in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more.